Good morning. Our video for today is about patola planting in our backyard. So this is our seedling patola. After this, so in that case, in this situation, we can transplant it. Okay. So this is now the patola, the 2 weeks old patola. Yeah. Yeah. Waray. Bulag pa wala di pre? Okay. It seems the patula here this is 2 weeks old. So it's about here on the field is now. This patola is 2 weeks old, more than 2 weeks. I think 18 days old. So this is I have planted in this area here. I planted 28 patola. As you can see, the space is they have not so much wide narrow space between plants. What I have to do, if the bear fruits already or they are flowering stage, I will nurture, give them fertilizers so that they can bear many fruits. Okay, I will update you on after what is going to happen after in this stage, in the flowering stage. I will update you. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe so you get updated on our ventures, planting ventures.